Hello, I'm King Dude, and I will teach you how to highlight an entire paragraph and part of a paragraph on Microsoft Word and Google Docs. We will begin with Microsoft Word, and we're going to start with the entire paragraph. What you have to do is, if you can see my mouse, you go to the beginning of the paragraph, hold Control Shift down, and it's going to highlight the entire paragraph. Now let's pretend you're in the middle of the paragraph and you want to highlight everything before cursor. So you can see my cursor right here, and you want to highlight everything up here. You could do Control Shift up, and everything from the cursor up, it will highlight. Vice versa, if you wanted to do everything behind the cursor, we will just do Control Shift down, and it will highlight everything from the cursor back. And then once again, if you're at the end of the paragraph and you want to highlight everything up, you just do Control Shift up, and again it will highlight everything on the paragraph. Same will apply for Google Docs. If I'm at the front of the paragraph and I want to highlight everything behind the cursor, all I'll do is do Control Shift down, and I'll highlight everything from the cursor to the end of the paragraph. And if I wanted to go from the middle of the paragraph and I wanted to highlight something, highlight all the words from up top, I'll just do Control Shift up, and it will highlight everything from the cursor to the beginning of the paragraph. Note, you can use this utility in each of the different modes, meaning you can use this in editor, commenter, or viewer. So if you can see my mouse right here, I can click right here, then do Control Shift up, and it's gonna copy everything from here to there. And then the same thing vice versa, everything down. Note, you can still do this in Microsoft Word without hitting the enable editing. So all I have to do is go to whatever word I want, and if I want to highlight everything under it, I'll just do Control Shift down, and it's going to highlight everything under it, and vice versa, Control Shift up. Now the difference is, in Microsoft Word you can see my cursor blinking, but in Google Docs you cannot see it blinking. So there's quite a little bit difference in terms of that.